Oh, here you go.
Hi guys, so today is Friday, and for dinner we're having takeout from Sports Page, and I've never had it before, but Mom and Dad have, and the food is really good. So yes, I will see you guys. So today's Friday. I don't think I ever told you guys that, but today's Friday, so the 31st, and we are getting ready to, like, in 10 minutes probably, to go get Jordan from work. But I wanted to give you guys the OTD. Okay, I'll give you guys the OTD when we come back, because our ride is here. So guys, see you probably out. So we have Jordan, and ooh, I'm about to get in this ditch again. We are going to, what's it called? What am I trying to say? We're going to Good Bears. That's what I'm trying to say. We're with our grandma as well. So yeah, we'll see you guys probably in Good Bears. So yeah. Oh no, I didn't. So guys, I just got a mini vanilla concrete with Oreo. So yeah. Hi guys, so it's 5:30. It's a couple hours later, and we are just getting ready to film a portion of my video that I told you guys about. I'm sorry, it's still not up yet because we just honestly been procrastinating and just haven't been organized with the filming days, but we are just gonna get, I think, one part of the skit, part of the video today. But yes, we're about to do it, and I will give you guys some behind the scenes. So guys, this is a little bit behind the scenes. We're talking about the culture of cats. I really truly can't.
I started shaking.
Gosh, that was a struggle. I just put back the black table and chair that I was using for my video. But yes, excuse this hoodie too. I had to wear this for a clip of the video too. But I was just editing like the one skit part that we did film today, and I'm just gonna do my voiceovers real quick, and then I should be done for the day for that portion of the video. I only have like a little bit more, like maybe like 3 or 4 more skits to film. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, I just want to give you guys a little update. Oh, and I never give guys the OTD since we had to go real quick, but I'm just wearing these gold hoops, what you got for Christmas, my gold bar necklace, which I also got for Christmas, this burgundy, like, burgundy t-shirt situation thing, like this burgundy tank top shirt type thing, which I got from H&M, and just some black, either black or really dark shorts, which I got from my cousin. And I just wore my silver sandals from Target. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little update, and I'll see you guys probably at dinner. Hey guys, for dinner I'm just having some chicken nuggets, which I'm tossing hot sauce and hot sauce and ranch. I'm just having this Jordan. I'm having this Dasani sparkling in the color blood orange. It's not all that great, but I just added some juice to it and then put it in my cup. And I'm also having just some sour cream and cheddar chips, so yeah. Hi guys, today is Saturday, and for lunch it's 12:31 right now. For lunch we're having a tuna sandwich with just some lemonade on the side, so yeah. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
I'm so happy.
Look at our new baby, guys.
I got to see you.
Oh, we got a package. She's beautiful. Oh. How's it feel?
It feels spectacular.
No.
Don't slam doors. Same rules apply. Don't slam doors.
Oh my gosh.
You got your seatbelt on?
Oh my gosh. Have sunroof.
When you get a man, it's got some good features. It's ridiculous.
We got. Is that a player?
CD player.
A CD player.
We have charging back here
It looks like an
and some
SD
air.
card. It looks like an SD card too.
Yeah, it does. It's got SD cards.
Where'd your key? You have automatic start? I do. Key is keyless. I have automatic start and keyless.
Oh my gosh. We have Sirius XM.
You got 3 months service.
Oh my gosh.
Your mom wanted Sirius, so there you go. You get and then we got the service.
We gotta go back.
It's got an Apple and Google Syncs. Yeah.
You can hook it up to your phone, right?
I'm so happy for you guys. Happy for us, for our family, guys. So good. I tell you.
Hey, Boshada.
You still recording?
Yes, I am.
Beat up number 3. 4. I had a Jada, but yeah, technically. But y'all know number 3.
How's his face look in the back, Jada?
How you feel?
It looks good. It's not a third row.
Yeah, we do have emergency third row. But I mean, but it's called emergency third row.
Guys,
the leg room. Oh, I'm
Yes.
sorry, Jada.
It's okay. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is really nice. It's pretty dark in here, but I'm excited.
I am.
This is a panoramic.
Look up all the way back. It's like a moon. Oh my goodness.
Wow, I didn't know this one.
You are
Wow.
in bed, man.
Oh my goodness. That is insane.
It's at nighttime. Yeah, it's like a moon roof.
Wow.
Daddy thought this was the app.
Hey guys, so it's 7:13 and we're gonna go out. We're gonna take our baby for a spin, whoop whoop. But we're just going to Target because we need a couple of groceries and some things for dinner because I think we're having nachos for dinner. But I just want to give you guys a quick OTD, and this is not what I had all day. I just changed real quick. So I just have on this Corvo Skull Creek shirt, which I got from the Skull Creek like shop. It was in South Carolina. I just have on some gray Forever 21 jeans. I'm sorry guys, I'm talking really quick. I'm just trying to hurry up because the family's waiting for me, and I'm just wearing my gray Air Max. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys probably at Target. Woo! Hey guys, so we are at Zaxby's. We're still going to Target, by the way, but we're at Zaxby's because we have these free Zappetizer things, and they expire today. So as long as it's still today, we can still get them. So yeah, we're just gonna sit in because we don't want the car smelling like food. We still want that new car smell. But yeah, once we get in there, I'll tell you guys what we've got. So yeah, I'm happy. So guys, for our free Zappetizer, all of us, me, Jordan, Mom, just got onion rings, and Dad had a free little thanks for joining the club. He just got the Zaxby's club, which is really good. So yeah. But yeah, this is like what the hair, the new hair, looks like, but it used to be taller like that, and yeah, this is Elf. And then they moved some of the hair stuff over here, I think, because this isn't permanent right here. They just moved it right here, just, you know, for right now. So, yeah.
Let me see the video.
How you doing? So guys, we're still in Target. We're actually over here in the room or like house decor area. I'm just sitting down because I'm tired. I can tell time. I had to focus. But yeah, that's what's going on. That's what's going on. That's all I can say. There's nothing really going on right now. But yeah, we're talking about clocks over there. She said that she's the only one that can tell time in the house, but no, that's not true. I just gotta focus, like, and I said, okay, the little one means the hour and the long means the minute. But anyway, yeah, that's what's going on. Hi guys, so we're back home. I just want to give you a quick little Target haul. So we got some popcorn, because we always go through popcorn like it's crazy. We got this clock, I think, for the classroom, and then we got this scale underneath that. I'm not pulling this up though. We got a scale. Then we just got some cereal, milk, some twinkling lights, I believe, and some bread, and some ooze noodles. Yes, I think that's it. And Jordan got the one, but that's her. But yeah, I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. So yeah. Hey guys, so today is Sunday. It's 9:58 currently right now, and I just want to give you guys the that's just one. Okay, the OTT. So I'm just wearing this shirt. Well, no, it's actually a dress, but I'm wearing it as a shirt because it's too short to wear as a dress. But I got this from Route 21. It was in my haul when, you know, we went like back to school shopping. Then I'm just wearing my white jeans, which I haven't worn all summer, which I'm glad I'm finally wearing today. Anyway though, they're from H&M, and I'm just wearing my tan/nude heels from Target. Oh, I'm also wearing this H&M ring, and I'm wearing my Asta Pasta bracelet with my rose gold watch, which I got for Christmas. My lipstick, I don't know what I'm going to wear right now, but I'm supposed to wear some more. I mean, I can. Okay, yeah, I'll probably wear my Sassy Motherfucker by Silk and Glory. So yeah, I'll see you guys probably after church, so yeah. I won't say what we're planning on doing something tomorrow for Labor Day, but it's not positive, but if we do something for tomorrow, I say do anyway, but if we do something tomorrow for Labor Day, then I'll definitely vlog, and it'll be a separate vlog. But anyway, be sure to thumbs the vlog up if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to subscribe and to comment below, and I'll see you guys next time. Asta Pasta.